There are various motivations behind people taking on side hustles. Some individuals opt for a side hustle to supplement their primary income by earning extra money. Others are driven by their passion for a specific idea or project and aspire to transform it into a full-fledged business. Additionally, some people view side hustles as a means to acquire new skills or explore alternative career paths. Regardless of the reason, engaging in a side hustle can offer added financial security and a sense of fulfillment beyond a traditional 9-to-5 job. However, many individuals often feel that their busy schedules leave no room for additional commitments, even if they acknowledge the potential benefits it could bring to their lives. So in today's video, we have a game-changing solution for you, because we will discuss 4 AI-powered side hustles that can handle approximately 95% of the workload for you. This means that you can legitimately earn thousands of dollars per month while dedicating just an hour or two each week to these side hustles. Let's get started. Selling stickers and wedding invitations can be a profitable venture, and you can leverage various AI tools to enhance your business and increase your earning potential. To get started, you'll need to design and create unique and visually appealing products. AI-powered design tools like Canva or Adobe Spark can assist you in creating eye-catching sticker designs and elegant wedding invitation templates. These tools provide pre-designed elements, templates, and intuitive editing features to simplify the design process. Once you have your designs, set up an online store on platforms like Etsy or Shopify, which allows you to showcase your products and reach potential customers. Then, determine appropriate pricing by considering production costs, competition, and perceived value. You're now ready to promote your products. Effective marketing through social media, collaborations with influencers, and participation in relevant events can help. AI-powered social media management tools like Hootsuite or Sprout Social can assist in scheduling and automating your social media posts. These tools can help you plan and optimize your social media content, engage with your audience, and analyze performance metrics to refine your marketing strategies. Provide excellent customer service and prompt order fulfillment. Remember, while AI tools can be valuable in your business, it's essential to evaluate their suitability, cost, and integration requirements based on your specific needs and budget. Next up, we have website creation for local businesses. Targeting local businesses is ideal because they often lag behind in adopting new AI tools and software, as their focus is on building and running their own business. But with the help of an app called Durable AI, you can create an entire website in seconds. Simply enter the business name, along with the location, and click Create Business. This app generates a fully functional website that you can offer to local businesses. The generated site includes features like testimonials, calls to action, and a map for easy navigation. While you can edit the website as needed, the initial landing page is simple yet effective. To find clients, you can utilize a new AI tool called outboundflow.ai. Please note that it may currently have restricted access, but it will likely become available to everyone in the future. This tool allows you to target specific locations and send out mass emails to businesses showcasing your offerings. It automates the process of finding email addresses and reaching out to potential clients, simplifying your outreach efforts. Earning through Faceless YouTube channels can be similar to earning through regular YouTube channels. Starting a Faceless YouTube channel is a concept where the channel does not involve a person showing their face, but instead utilizes whiteboard videos, tutorials, or B-roll footage. These channels can still generate income through YouTube's ad revenue sharing system. Here's how you can do it. Choose a specific niche that interests you and has a potential audience. For creating video ideas and scripts, tools like vidIQ can help generate video ideas and even provide complete scripts for YouTube videos. Additional tools like InVideo can be used to create high-quality videos by incorporating the generated scripts and adding relevant B-roll footage. And what's more, services like Midjourney can assist in generating appealing thumbnails for the videos. You can now set up a consistent uploading schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Building a portfolio of YouTube videos can potentially generate passive income over time as the channel grows and accumulates views. The fourth side hustle that is gaining momentum and has significant potential is selling prompts. It seems that companies are currently paying hefty sums upwards of $300,000 for skilled prompt engineers. However, many people are unaware of the underlying value of prompts. Allow me to expound with an example. When using ChatGPT to obtain a desired output, the way a question is asked can have a profound impact on the response received. For instance, if I simply ask ChatGPT what is cloud computing, I would likely receive a very generic answer. But what if I pose a more specific and detailed request like, I want to learn about cloud computing. Explain it in simple terms. Explain to me like I'm 10 years old. The output generated will be remarkably different and more fitted to the desired output. This comprehensive output not only aids in learning but also serves as a template to instruct ChatGPT to generate scripts on any topic in the future. A website called PromptBase functions as a marketplace for prompts, offering prompts tailored for various AI tools, including ChatGPT. This means that if you are uncertain about how to formulate a question, you have the option to purchase a suitable prompt. Consequently, the opportunity rises for knowledgeable individuals in specific fields to profit from selling their prompts. You don't have to be an expert in a particular area, but chances are you possess more knowledge about a specific topic than someone else, and that knowledge holds value. These AI-powered side hustles can offer the potential to generate significant earnings while maintaining flexibility in your schedule. They not only provide financial security and even fund your dream vacation, but also open doors to new skills, knowledge, and experiences. So why not embark on these innovative side hustles and let AI do its work, fueling your aspirations and making your dream vacations a reality? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave your comments below. Check out more informative and exciting content, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more learning.